Want to learn how you can create next level viral thumbnails with just some prompts and zero designing skills? So gather around your device screen because you're watching Zeel. My name is Himanshu and let's do it. You might have heard about Adobe Generative Fill in your Photoshop, but do you know that the same tool is available online in browser version on Adobe's website? And that too free of cost. Yes, and in this video, I'll guide you through the way how you can create your stunning thumbnails without using any designing skills. But first of all, we need a topic for our video for which we are going to create the thumbnail. So first of all, open up ChatGPT in your web browser and ask it, you need to create a thumbnail on this topic, on that topic, like I'm doing here. So I'm asking it, I have an idea of a crazy YouTube video on AI invasion in 2040, only we can stop it. Suggest me suitable thumbnail ideas with a person and AI bots, robots featuring in it. Well, you can see it can create pictures itself. But these are good, but not that good. These cannot be edited. Also, it is not even in size. But we got an idea what we need to do in our prompts to generate your own. So we'll be needing some prompts to generate what we actually need to generate using generative AI. Here it is. Now, go to Adobe Firefly and sign up if you haven't yet. And you can directly go there by using the link in the description box. Click on Generative Fill and upload a white image, plain image of 16:9 ratio like this. And now go back to your GPT and see the prompts. Now select the whole area as given in the prompt for the background. Choose the one you like. If not, you can generate more or change the prompt. And after finalizing, click on Keep. Now the next thing we need are some soldiers and army men on the left side. I guess it's cool. Now add some aircraft. Cool. Now it's time for adding up the AI bots on the right side. I'm giving prompt to create cyborgs. And a flying spaceship that can tackle with the aircraft. Then at last, a giant one, a giant cyborg. Now you can see the base of your thumbnail is ready. From here you have two ways. You can select the area of the middle and give it the prompts for the title, or the other way is download this picture and open it in any of the photo editing app or in Canva to generate the title. I'm using Canva here, and by adding up the title 2040 Humans versus AI, and this is how it looks, which was really quick in real time. I guess I have not even spent 5 minutes in it, and this thing will literally gonna increase your click-through rates. And as I mentioned earlier, that you don't even need the designing knowledge or designing tools to design these thumbnails. And that's all in this video. If you like the video, if you found it useful and informative, just subscribe to our channel and I'll meet you in the next one.